Today we got a video from Central Arkansas Cams, and the title of the video is Police Called for Trespass, Situation Escalates Quickly.
Fucking let me go! Fucking let me go! Fuck out! Ow!
What y'all doing back here? Huh? Just hanging out. Okay, well, unfortunately, y'all are on somebody's property right now, okay? Alright, so,
we need to move.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
If I could have y'all do that.
Alright.
Alright.
Whoa. Now, before you go, we gonna need some IDs now.
Hey, actually, everybody stay right here for now.
Stay right here. You gonna make contact with them?
I'm gonna pull my car over here.
Okay. Where you going?
Oh, where's she going?
No, he
Yeah,
going.
I am.
He just said
Yes,
you gonna
I
hang out
am.
right here
Why?
because he said to.
He just said leave.
I said leave. He said stay. So you gonna
No,
stay?
he didn't. I'm leaving.
We're staying right now.
I'm leaving.
We're staying right now. We're gonna figure out what we got.
I am a civilian. I have rights. You don't get to hold me hostage. You have
I
no
do.
reason
Right.
to bother
Well,
me.
right now you're criminally trespassing on somebody else's
Nobody
property.
called you.
I was actually they did. That's why
Well,
I'm
then
here.
why don't you let me leave like you said?
Because I've got to figure out what's going on and make
What you
sure
mean,
they
what's
want to
going
know.
on?
You gonna hang out? I mean, I ain't gonna sit here and argue with you.
Okay.
We'll see how that
I'm
works.
going home.
No, you ain't.
Let me go. Let me go. I'm going home.
I'm telling you, you don't want to go this route with it.
Leave me alone.
You don't want to go that route with it.
You'll go to jail.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you will.
No, I am not.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your
Let
back.
me go.
Nope.
Let me
Nope.
go.
Put your hands behind your back.
You have no reason to grab me.
Criminal trespassing.
You have
now
no
you're obstructing.
No, I don't have criminal
Yes, I
trespassing. You're trying to take my hands off my bike. Let me go.
Yep. Go to jail.
Let me go. Let me go.
Either you cooperate or you're gonna
I
get
ain't
put
no
on the ground.
cooperating. And what I'm cooperating, I'm doing what he told me.
I'm gonna pull this bike back from you, so watch
He
out.
told me to leave. No, it's my bike. No.
All right, you gonna go on the ground.
This is my
I'm telling
bike.
you right now, you gonna go on the ground.
You're steadily trying to jump on me. Let me go.
I'm trying to be cool with
Leave
you.
me alone. I
if
ain't
you-
did nothing. I'm leaving.
All right.
We're trying to do
Leave me
ID
alone.
you.
Okay, what you got to ID me for?
Put you in a report to trespass you from the property.
How you gonna put me in a report for trespassing? Ain't nobody called the police on me.
Actually, the owner of the property did.
Well, actually, it's how many people back there? Let my hands
Listen!
go. No.
If you
I said
do
let
not
me
cooperate, you
I
will go to
said,
jail.
Let me fucking go. You use unnecessary force on me already. Let me go. I ain't did jack to you. Let me go.
5-1 starts an additional.
Let me go. 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 I said let me go.
No work.
Let me go. Let me go. No. I'm trying to break my fucking phone.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fucking go. Fucking let me go.
I'm gonna put her on the ground.
Fucking let me go. Fucking let me go. Fucking let me go. Fuck out, bitch, out. Out. You fucking let me go. Let me go.
Got her ass there. Got her, boy. You heard that laser? You know how to start with the taser. Yeah. That's that. Oh boy, that's that warning. You know what I'm saying? Once you start hearing that sound, you know what's coming next, man. That thing is charged up, ready to go, man. It's ready to go. Oh man. Yeah, it's sad, man. Just a bunch of dope fiends, you know. That's it.
Fucking go. Fucking let me go.
I'm gonna put her on the ground.
Fucking let me go.
You hear that sound?
Let me go. Fucking let me go. Fuck out, bitch,
Oh!
out. You better let me go. Let me go.
Roll over.
I can't roll over.
Roll over.
He tased me. He fell. I got a
Your
back
hands.
injury. I got a back injury. Somebody go get my family. Go get my family. I ain't did nothing wrong. I'm leaving like you tried to. Somebody go get my family. Please. Go get my family. Will you please go get
Give
my family?
me your hand.
I ain't even said to get my family. Somebody call my family. I'm doing what he said do. And you tagged me. I ain't did nothing. I'm trying to live.
tried to swing on me.
I didn't try to swing on you.
Yeah, you did.
Ain't nobody seen me try to swing on him.
5-5. You
No,
cleared
I
it.
did not.
You got 115.
Can I please roll
Supervise
over
use
so I can
force
breathe?
mounds for
I
taser
need to
deployment.
breathe, please. Can I roll over so I can breathe?
Yep.
Okay, thank
Now
you.
you can.
I appreciate it. Then can you let me get up
Huh? Well, right now you're going to stay right there.
on the ground?
Yep.
Yep.
Why?
Because I told you to.
Arrest.
Why am I under arrest? Fucking let me go. Fucking let me go. Fucking let me go. Fuck. Out, you bitch. Out. Out. You bastard. Let me go. Let me go. Stop. Stop. I can't roll over.
Oh, that thing charged up, boy. Oh, that joint here. That taser. You hearing all types of sounds. He try to get everything out. He's squeezing that thing so many. He getting every last power, every last drop that he can get up out of there, man. That thing making all types of sounds. Wait. Look at this shit. This shit going off the meter.
Sorry, Supervisor.
I got a package. Somebody go get my family.
Oh,
Go get my family. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Oh,
I'm
shoot.
leaving like you tried to. Somebody go get my family. Please. Go get my family. Will you please go get my family? I ain't requesting get my family. Somebody call my family. I'm doing what he said do. And you tagged me. I ain't did nothing. I'm trying to leave.
You tried to swing on me.
I didn't try to swing on you.
Yeah, you did.
Ain't nobody seen me try to swing on him.
5-5.
No, I did not.
You got 115.
Can I please roll over so I can breathe? I need to breathe, please. Can I roll over so I can breathe?
Yep.
Okay, thank
Now
you.
you can.
I appreciate it. Then can you let me get up
Huh?
Can
Well,
you
right now you're going to stay right there.
on the ground?
Damn, he zapped the wig off her. God damn.
Why?
Because now you're under arrest.
Why I'm under arrest?
Resisting, obstruction.
I ain't did none of that. But I ain't did none of that.
Yeah, you did.
I'm off the property now. But I'm off the property. I'm off the property. Let me go. Let me go. You're taking my stuff. You ain't no right to do that. You ain't even read me my rights.
Don't have to.
Stop that. Yes, you do.
Quit.
Stop it. Stop it. Let me go. You're stealing my stuff. He didn't have no right to do that to me. Sir, I'm off the property.
Can you help me get
Somebody
behind this
call the
car?
captain. Please.
Captain? No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes,
He's
sir.
a sergeant, but you're not getting a captain.
Are you a sergeant?
Nope, he's on his way.
He's on the way.
Yeah.
Well, I have to piss. Can I go piss?
Stand up.
I don't have to. I can't get in the car.
Stand up.
No, I ain't crazy. You see all these people over here? I ain't the only one.
You're gonna have
I'm
to-
the only one left.
Literally been fighting.
But I'm the only one left, sir. And I got tased for nothing.
You
heard
got
me,
tased
sir?
because you tried to swing on
I
me.
didn't try to swing on you. He's not telling the truth. I did not try to swing on him.
Well, we're wearing HD body cams, and I bet there's going to be a video.
I didn't try to swing on him. I'm holding on to the fence. He snatched the bike off and up under my butt. Can you please go get my family, sir?
No.
Y'all haven't
How old
even,
are you?
y'all haven't even
How
read
old
me
are
my
you?
rights, sir.
How old are you?
Y'all haven't even read me my rights.
That's not what you think it is.
I'm off the property, though.
You got.
Everything with him attacking me is off the property. Please,
Have a seat before I make you have a seat.
I can't breathe.
Have a seat.
It's hot in there.
Put the air conditioning on. Sit down.
Can you please open my family, sir?
No, sit down.
It's hot. It's hot.
We're going to put you in the car if you don't sit in the car.
Listen to you feel the heat?
That's coming from under the car.
Air
Get in the
conditioning's
car.
on.
I can't breathe in there.
in the car.
I can't breathe. I'm not under arrest. No, I'm not.
Get in the
They
car.
haven't read me either right.
That is not what you
That
think
is
it is.
true.
Sit down in the car. Why are you not
I ain't
listening?
nothing. I ain't did
Everyone else is pretty cool.
nothing. Nobody's not did anything. Stop it. Please stop.
Stop it.
Why are you stopping on me? Help. I'm already here. I'll catch you. Let me go. Let me free. Please let me go. Let me go. Please let me go. Please.
For a second.
Let me go. I ain't seen
Yeah. Well, luckily for the other guys, they're probably just gonna tell them to skedaddle since they're all really pretty much dealing with her. You know, probably just tell the other guy, get out of here. I don't want to see you back over here. All right. Yeah, that's how that's gonna go for the most part. That's what I think. But whatever, man. This shit was crazy. That taser was making all types of sounds, boy. You know, it reminds me of like the dog when you have the K9s, and the K9s, they ready to work. You know what I mean? And the K9 is gonna let you know that they ready to work. You know, they gonna be excited, they gonna be barking, they gonna be, yeah. That's like that taser, man. That thing was letting you know they ready to work. That thing, beep, 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 beep. She like, like, oh shit. That is funny shit, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.